What up? So, yo, a lot of targeted individuals been asking me how they can make money and stuff like that. Um, a lot of people that are targeted might be low income or like might be on some type of social assistance or something like that. So you might need to do something on the side to make money. You know what I mean? Because that's what a lot of people. I've been getting a lot of emails, like people texting me, calling me, messaging me on Facebook, commenting and asking me how I make like money online and stuff like that. Because there's a couple different ways that I've been making money online since like 2012 is when I originally started as an affiliate marketer and stuff like that. But either way, I'll let you guys see for yourself. You know, I still have a back office where it shows all my sales and everything, and from 2012 all the way up and stuff like that, all the money that I made. There's a couple different companies, so I'll link the website so you guys can just look for yourselves, so I don't have to go off about it or whatever. And if you're interested, you know what I mean, you can hit me up, or you can go on the website, you can sign up, and you can start making money, earning with this company as an affiliate marketer. And basically they were paying me, I made, some weeks, man, like I made even like some weeks 600 to 1,000 in a week, man. And that was from $80 commissions is what I was getting. So each person that I referred to the company, I would get an $80 commission. Sometimes I would get like 5 or 10 in a week, and that's $500, $1,000 a week. You know what I mean? So the company has a A+ rating with Better Business Bureau, so you don't need to worry about like scams and pyramid schemes and shit like that, because that's you gotta watch out for shit like that. You know what I mean? So I've even got when I was young, I wasted money, and I was trying to find all these different ways to make money online. You know what I mean? So I found this company, and it actually worked, and like kept going year after year. You know what I mean? But I did get juked. I got robbed for hundreds, for a couple of different things, And like I'm a pretty smart person, man. Like, you know what I mean? So gotta be careful. But this company is well known. They have a A+ rating with Better Business Bureau, BBB. If you don't know what that is, I feel sorry for you. No, but anyways, other than that, basically, so I'll send the links and everything so you can look everything up, watch the videos. There's training on the website. And man, like seriously, like I'll show you how to run Facebook ads and stuff like that too. You can take other agents' videos, like other people in the company that made videos like similar to this one, breaking the company down, the benefits and everything, how much you make and stuff like that. And you can use that video. You could run ads to that video and then put your website, your affiliate link or whatever. And every time you get a sign up, you make $80. And it's legit. Like you get paid every week, every Friday, direct deposit or PayPal. So, and it, like I said, I've been doing it since 2012, but I haven't been promoting the company for a long time. Facebook kind of, shut me down, and I lost a lot of my income streams. And then I went to the YouTube, right? And then I was doing this for like a year and a half now, 2 years, right? So I kind of stopped doing my online businesses, and I stopped kind of doing like everything that I was doing, and started focusing in on other things, right? So, but other than that, I'll just put the information so you can check it out yourself or whatever. And yeah, man, that way I'm not gonna get thousands of comments anymore and emails and people hitting me up asking me like different ways to make money online that you can trust, because people are skeptical when it comes to that stuff, so you gotta be careful, right? So anyways, check this out.
Okay, what you know about that, son? What you know about that? What you know about that, bud? What you know about all these 50s? What you know about all that? SMTSG Transition Movement CEO Boss. You already know what it is. Check this swag out. See that shit? Look at that.
Hey guys, Kilogram here. You probably came across my video because you recently heard about MCA. You probably saw a video very similar with a girl holding a bunch of cash. Well, we're going to put this away now. So let's get down to the facts and talk about MCA as a company. So basically, they have been around since 1926. They provide roadside assistance both within Canada and the United States. It's very, very similar to, CAA, AMA, whatever is local to your area, but better. So we are able to access our benefits every single day. So 365 calls a year. We are able to access our benefits. Now, it's not just roadside assistance that's available with the company. You are able to get hotel and car rental discounts, life insurance, much, much more. If you just message me, I can definitely explain the benefits a little bit better, but that's not what the video is about. You have found my video because you have heard about our referrals program. People claiming to make, a couple $1,000s every single week. Well, I'm here to tell you that it's completely real. It's legit. The company has an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. You're welcome to go and take a look yourself. Just Google MCA BBB. We wouldn't be able to fake those ratings, you guys. So Better Business Bureau basically just rates, business practices between, associates, consumers, the company as a whole. They would not be BBB accredited if it wasn't a legit company. Now, I have spoken with lawyers, attorneys, even an AMA employee, and everyone says what a great company MCA is. So I know it's very, very difficult to believe that people are making money on the internet. Toys R Us is closing, guys. Sears in Canada just closed. The internet is taking over. So, a lot of questions that I get when, I'm speaking with people that come to my inbox are, were you skeptical? Damn right, I was skeptical. I watched my sponsor for 3 or 4 months before I decided to join. And, this company has been such a blessing to my family. A little bit of background story on me. I am a stay-at-home mom of 3 children. I also attend university, just on Tuesdays and Thursdays, but I still have a very full course load. And my husband works out of town. My husband works in Fort McMurray. So I'm basically a single mom in the sense of, being home with my children all the time by myself. So, people ask, do I have time to do this? Guys, I'm so busy. My daughter's in dance, my daughter's in guides, my son's in hockey, my other daughter's in guides. They go to school, I go to school. I'm running like a chicken with my head cut off, and I'm still able to make $1,000 to $2,000 every week from home. So basically, the associate program, let's get into that. So we are paid every single Friday via direct deposit. Here in Canada, we link our PayPal to our back offices, and that just allows us to receive our checks on time. I don't know if you guys are aware, but the American banking system has routing numbers, whereas here in Canada, we have institution numbers and transit numbers. So it would take too long for head office to be able to transfer our funds from our Canadian bank account from an American bank account, sorry. So that's why we use PayPal. Now, I'm not a girl that's claiming to make a bunch of money on the internet. If you go to my Facebook profile, all of my income proof is there. I post my bank statements, my back office, and my PayPal. So to show my entire paper trail. So I will also do videos where I show my money. So each time someone joins or purchases the membership, we receive $80 to $90 per referral. We get paid every single Friday, like I said. So our pay periods run from Sunday to Saturday, with pay being the following Friday. So just like any job you guys are going to get hired on with, there's a cutoff period. So we basically, upon joining, we do have to sign an associate agreement, just agreeing that we won't slander the company, we won't make any income promises. We sign a tax form. Yes, we pay taxes. We're considered subcontractors of the company. So that's it. MCA is an amazing company. It has provided so much blessing to my life. You can hear my son in my background. In the background, I'm a normal person, So if you want to know more, please send me a message.
Hey, what's up, guys? So if y'all want to know how I went from living with roaches in a rundown apartment to a 5,000 square foot home, 6 bedrooms, 4.5 baths, I suggest you guys just keep listening in. You know, a few years ago, I didn't even have a vehicle. I didn't even have a car. Now today I have two cars. 2016 Cadillac Escalade, all right, long body, and also a 2016 Mercedes S550, all right? Now, how am I doing this? How am I living this life? How am I able to wake up and make a decision which car I want to drive today? Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. You know, how am I able to do this? Well, I work from home. I've been doing this for a few years. All right, the company I work for is legit, is real, and you have to work hard. This is not a handout. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. You have to put in the work. I simply place ads online, and my ads generate income for me. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and look at my bank account, and I'm gonna show you real proof that this is going on. This is my house. You see, these are my factory tires to my Mercedes. You see, I got 22-inch rims on here. Here are the factory wheels. Here's my rundown Christmas tree. I got to get another one. And, you know, my son's bike, a beer over here in the corner. You know, I was wiping down the vehicle yesterday. Let's go ahead and walk in the house. All right, guys, again, I've been doing this for a few years. What I'm gonna do now is log in for you and show you my bank account. I'm gonna log into my back office, and I'm gonna log into my bank account so you guys can see how real this is. Now, if you guys are serious about making money from home, I want you to do three things for me. I want you to like this video, share this video, and comment info below, and then I'll send you the information on how I'm doing this. All right, now, let me go ahead and log in. Now, the first thing I'm gonna do for you is I'm actually gonna log into my back office. All right, here we go. Let me put that in real quick. Okay. Let me go ahead and click on associate payments. As you see, this is what I've made in the last month. Every Friday is payday at our company. Okay, so I'm making around $11,000, $12,000 every Friday. Direct deposits are sent out on Thursday and we receive them on Friday. All right, now let's look at my bank account. Here with Bank of America, okay? All right, you can see the same direct deposits. All right, same direct deposits. Okay? So, if you guys are serious about making money, I make this amount of money every Friday. As you guys can see, I've been growing and growing and growing. Okay? I want you to do me a favor. Like this video, share the video, and comment info below. If you don't do those three things, I'm not going to send you the information. Like the video, share the video, and comment info below. Peace.